Hi guys, I want to introduce to you this new online banking script. I will show you how the script works, and I will also show you how you can install the script to get it running. This script is made up of two sessions, made up of three sessions: the home page, the user dashboard, and the admin session 2. So right now, the screen we are looking at right now is the home page, and for you to access the main home page, you have to pass this verification first. So right now, I will insert this verification code. As you can see, the code has been verified. This actually gives some kind of security to the site. So you can see this is the home page, a very beautiful home page, and it's well detailed too. All contents have been written already. All content have been written already. This is the About Us page. The About Us page. And they have other pages too. This is the Contact Us page. So without wasting much time, let me log into the user side. So I'll put in an account number, put in the password. To register, you can just click on arrow for online banking. So you can see now I accept, and you fill in the details for registration. As you can see, this is the details for registration. So let me go back to the login page now. Now log in. So you can see now I'll be logged in successfully. You can see how beautiful the dashboard looks. So I can actually change the theme here. You can see now it's on light theme, light mode. So I'll put it on dark mode, which is actually more beautiful for me. So you can see right now, see so to can view the user's profile here. So right now we view the user's profile. See. Security, yeah, you actually see all to see all activity logs and all that. Select the security pin code, set up two-factor authentication, and your browser histories when you log in is also saved too. So let me go back to the dashboard. So what I'll do now is I can make a transfer here. You see right now, start with online banking transfer. I will select the account, so now just the savings account that's available. So I'll put the transfer, the amount. Now continue. So I'll put the bank name. Let me say Trust Bank, account number 543 Stanley Homes. Let's see, school fees. Then continue. So you can see right now, transaction is being processed. So you can see right now, transaction is being processed. So it's asking me to enter the VAT code. So where you can actually get the VAT code to give to your clients is from the admin side. So right now I will log into the admin side. Now to get this code, all you have to do is come to general settings, scroll down. Now this is the VAT code. You can see right now, this is the VAT code. Then I'll place it here, then I'll verify again. Now VAT code, the valid VAT code was supplied. Now I'll enter the BOT code. So this is the BOT code. Then I'll verify again. And the BVT code too, which is this. Then I'll add it. Still loading. Now it's asking me to enter the OTP, and the OTP is actually in my mail. I'm sent to my mail. Okay. So I'll just copy the OTP code. Place it, then I'll verify. Now you can see now transaction was successful. I'll go back to my mail again, then I will see that I've been sent a debit alert notification. You can see now. You can see it. So that is one of the transfers. Yeah, and to check your account summary, you can go to account summary. You can see now account summary. To send money, you can actually send money. You can actually carry out 3 types of transfer: the bank internal bank transfer, the other bank transfer too, and the cross-border transfer too. So the one we did before is actually the other bank transfer. So when the internal bank transfer is when you actually send money to somebody of this particular bank. So right now, if I put any account number which is not registered in the system, you can see it shows me account not found. Isn't that awesome? You can also do a deposit check. See now, you can also do a deposit check. Put the amount. You will upload the file. I don't think I have any file, any check image now. Just maybe put just use a random image for now. So I'll submit. So your check has been successfully deposited. So you can see that now. Now I can go to pay bills. So you can see pay bills too. You can see delivering date and all that. So yeah, you can add a payee. You can also have a visual card too. Here you can request for a visual card, fill in your details, the kind of card which you prefer, then you apply. The admin will actually see all the details to get the approved. Here you can also see your KYC status. Here you'll be able to upload your documents, your KYC documents. Then you submit. You can also apply for loans, put in the loan amount, the purpose of the loan, the repayment tenure, that means the duration for the loan, or when you will get the loan repaid. Then purpose of the loan here again. Sorry, yeah, the first one is actually the loan credibility, like the kind of loan. Now you purpose of the loan, you type it here, then you continue. For account settings, okay, I told you about the account settings before. So these are the features of the user dashboard. So now let me take you to the admin dashboard to show you how it works too. So when you log into the admin dashboard, this is the first page you will see. Here you will see the list of all registered users. So different icon here, you can fund a user account here. I'll put in 5,000. So the transfer scope, do you want it to be in form of local transfer, check deposit, or the international transfer? So like where you're changing to now, why are you funding the user account? Is it for the local transfer, is it for check deposit, or is it for international transfer? So I might just put check deposit now. I'll say your recent check deposit. Frequency 1 or 2, just a frequency. So send email notification, yes or no. So you can say continue. Then confirm transfer, confirm transaction. So you can see now the deposit was actually successful. So I'll go back to my mail now. You can see credit alert. You can see now $5,000. So that's it. Now I'll go back again. You can try send mail to the user and say change your account password. Then message me there is a recent there are some suspicious activities with your account. I'll just send a mail now. That's a message sent. I'll see. The user will definitely received the mail. So I'll go back again to the list of. So the third icon, you can see the third icon is to delete the user account. Now you can also use the other icon to enable the two-factor authentication for the user. And the other one, you can suspend the user account. So you prevent the user from logging in. Now block funds transfer, you can actually block the user from transferring. And we click on this one, you can see all the details of the user. You can click view details of the user to view the user's details. See, you can credit the account, you can see transaction histories, debit account, can debit the account, you can change the account photo, you can see the account activity, you can also do some security settings for the account. So this credit account, we actually created the account before. You can see the transaction history for that particular user. You can see now. You can actually edit. You can edit the transaction. Put in any date of your choice. Then you update. Now, so I'll go back now. Go back again. Okay, so I'll view details again. You can debit the account. Now debit the account 2,000. Now local transfer. Let's say purpose is let me say local transfer charges. I'll send mail to. Then I'll say continue. Then confirm transaction. So when I go back to the user now, you see that the account is actually debited. The user's balance is reduced. So you can do some security settings on the account. You can change the user's password. You can see the account activities when and each time the account logs in, and then the kind of device the account used to log in and the IP address too. So then I'll go back to the admin dashboard again. When you go to transactions, you see all transactions that has been done by particular by all the users on the platform. You see, these are transactions. You can actually view details of a transaction, where you can edit the transactions, edit the date, the reference number, the amount, the description, and other details too. Then you will click on update. Then the transaction will be updated. So for bill payments, all the requests for bill payments will be here too. So when you go to check deposits, all the check that was submitted by a particular user too will be here. So you can click here to approve the transaction or see details. You can see now. So right now this I will approve this one now, which was done by the account, by the user accounts. You can see approve. You can see check number, then the amount too, then approve. Now check deposit has been approved. What was the amount? $100. Okay. I see now the amount was actually added because it was a deposit. So I will come here, fund the user account. This way you fund the user account. You select the user account which you want to fund, like you are crediting the account. So I've showed you this before. You can also send mail to the user. So you come here to you click on, you insert the user's email. You will put it in mail subject, then the mail body, then you send the mails to. So for visual card, users who actually request for visual card will be here too. So that's where you approve the card which they requested for. And for KYC application, you will see all the KYC documents which the users actually uploaded. When you go to loan and financing, loan management, you will be able to set up loans. So allow loan application mode, you can enable it when you want to allow people to apply for loans. So the minimum amounts they can actually apply for, you put it there, the maximum amount, the interest rate, the management fee in percentage too, the credit insurance fee, the penalty charges too. So that's where you actually update this loan. So yeah, when you go to loan requests, to be here too, before you have to approve it or decline it. So you have cryptocurrency management, the different cryptocurrencies which you want your users to operate with, so you can or deposit with. You can come here, you can see now different currencies here. You can update the wallets, put the wallet address, then you update. We have also the approved deposits, where you will see all the approved crypto deposits. You have the pending ones too. The pending deposit will be here. That's where you have to approve them. So now let's go to manage alt code names. So the various code names, the various code for transfer, here is where you actually change the names. So now this is the IMF code. You can change it to something else which you want. You can change the COT code. You can change the VAT code to the BOT code, the BVT code. Then you will update. This way you change the code names. All tickets which the user sent to you will be here for when you click on support tickets. So under general settings, this is where you actually have the website settings. So you can see the base URL of the site. Put it there. The site name, you put it there. The short name of the site, you also put it. And the email address of the site, you put it there too. you choose the currency for the website, the bank number, you put it there too. So the base country should also be there. So enable or disable BOT blocker. So this is actually enabled. So the first, when I logged into, went to the site, the first verification I saw, so you can actually enable it or disable it. So the dashboard theme template or the admin, you can also make it dark or you can make it light. The description on the site is here too. The site address, we can enable or disable cryptocurrency. So when cryptocurrency is disabled, the users won't be able to deposit in crypto like this place now. As you can see, we have various crypto there. See now, so they can actually come to deposit crypto. See, choose the one they want, they put the amount, then you click on continue. So all this is made possible because cryptocurrency was enabled. So you can actually enable or disable IMF or COT code. So right now the IMF and COT code is disabled, so you can actually enable it. So when they are actually making transfer, they will require to insert the IMF and the COT code. So this is a COT message. You can just change it to whatever you want. So another message here. So suspend user error message. When user's account is suspended, the error message, you can type it there, which they will get. So you can see enable code too. You can see. So this way you change the other codes to the BVT code, the VAT code, the BOT code. So then you will update. That's for the settings. So to upload your logo and your favicon, this way you upload it, your logo and the favicon too. You can see. When you go to plugins under the admin settings, you can put in your live chat code here. Then you can see, you can also, this is for the live exchange widgets that you will update. Now for email and SMS configuration, so you can see now your SMTP host will be here, your username of the email account will be there, and the password too will be here too, and the SMTP authentication, that TLC or SSL, just put it there, and then for the port too, then you update. So this part is for the SMS, so it's when you enable it and also disable, you can enable and disable it. So to get the API key, you can go to gatewayAPI.com to get the API key for the SMS, and I can also put your Twilio API configurations here to be able to send SMS to the users. So this is the slide settings for the home page. So here you can change the pictures and other details too. So now let me show you how you can actually install the scripts. You will log into your cPanel, then you go to the file manager, go to public_HTML. So if you want to upload it in this on the main domain, you upload it inside the public_HTML. But for me, I want to upload it inside the folder, so I'll create the folder start with creating a folder. Now I'll go into the folder, click on upload, select the file, so now the zip file is actually uploaded now. It's still uploading, it's almost done now. So now it has uploaded, so I just come and reload, then I will extract the file, click on close, then go into the folder, select all folder, select all files, then I'll move into the directory which I want it to be. So now to set up, the next thing now is to set up your database. So go into the home page of your file manager, search on database. So you click on MySQL database wizard. So here you create a database and see, let me say star way db, and I'll copy the database which I just created. I'll open my notepad. I'll say database, paste it, then I'll create a user, that starway user, then I'll generate a password. I'll copy the password, then I'll click on I'll copy this, then go back to which is and say password, then I'll create user now. I'll copy the user. I'll save changes, make changes. I'll say user. So I'll go back to my file manager. So to set up the database now, go into my account folder. Then you go into the scripts folder. Then you see connect.php. So you edit this connect.php. So you can see that now. So I'll copy the database which I saved before. I'll put it here. So for the password, copy the password, paste it there. I'll copy the user, paste it here. So then don't always forget to save changes. So next thing now is to go into my phpMyAdmin. So you can search for phpMyAdmin. So while that is loading, I will go back again to my file manager. You see the database folder, so you click on it. This is where you get the SQL file, so you download it into your file, into your PC. So I will locate the database which I created now. I will click on it, and so now I will click on import. Then I'll select the file. This is it. Then I'll open and import. So right now it's importing now. It's importing. So you can see now my database has fully been imported. So now I will load my website now. So as you can see now, website is working. So to access the admin dashboard, it will be your domain name / my account / admin. You can see now. And to get the admin password, all you have to come to the users table. So the first details is actually the admin details. So you can actually delete any other user like from here, but don't delete the number one user, which is actually the admin. So you copy the admin email address, copy the password, and now you can see we are logged in. So you can actually do other settings for it to work the way you want. So to get this, you can actually purchase this script by clicking on the link below, and the price of the script is 70,000 Naira. I repeat again, to get this script, all you have to do is click on the link in the description, and to get it, the price is actually 70,000 Naira. Thank you very much for watching.